Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can change your default browser in Windows 10. So Windows 10 automatically comes installed with the Edge browser, but if you want to use another browser, you will have to download and install it. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to be downloading and installing the Google Chrome browser. So to download Google Chrome, I'm going to open up the Edge browser, and then in the search bar, I'm going to type Chrome. And then in the list of search results, I'm going to click Chrome for desktop here. And then I'm going to click Download Chrome. And then I'm going to click Accept and Install. Now I'm going to click Save. And then I'm going to click Run to start installing Google Chrome. Right, so now the browser, in my case Google Chrome, has finished installing. We can now close Google Chrome. And as I've got nothing open in Edge, I can also close that. And then to change the default browser, all we're going to do is we're going to click the Start button here, and then we're going to click the Settings button here. Now once we've clicked the settings, at this window, we're then going to click the Apps option here. So we're going to click Apps, and then in the list at the side, we're then going to click Default Apps here. Now once we've done that, we're then going to scroll towards the bottom, and as you can see, there is an option that says Web Browser. Now we're going to click here on Microsoft Edge, and that should bring up a list of already installed browsers. So from this list is where you can select the one that you want to be your default browser. So for me, I'm going to select Google Chrome, and then there we go, we have now changed our default browser. So guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.